Welcome everyone to today's interview. I'm excited to be joined by Prakhar Khanna, the multi-faced author of the recently published book Stories of Wisdom. Prakhar is not only a talented writer but also a pre-state and not zone level shooter. In addition, he's a fourth-year vocalist in both Hindustani and Carnatic music. This unique compilation of select stories from ancient scriptures across the globe has been thoughtfully put together with his sister Pragati Khanna, who is currently studying at Symbiosis Medical College in Pune. The book aims to impart moral values to children while also enriching their wisdom to tackle everyday challenges. Prabha, it's a pleasure to have you with us today.
Thank you, and I'm delighted to be here and share my journey behind my book, Stories of Wisdom.
Prabha, there are some frequently asked questions. What was your main goal in creating Stories of Wisdom?
The main goal in creating my book, Stories of Wisdom, was to instill moral values, wisdom in children through thought-provoking stories from various ancient scriptures around the world, such as Uttamdesha and fables of Panchatattva.
How did you go about selecting stories from various ancient scriptures for the book?
To select stories for my book, Stories of Wisdom, I focused on finding concise, engaging tales from various ancient scriptures that would convey strong moral lessons and instill values of kindness and courage.
What themes or values did you prioritize while compiling the stories?
When compiling my book, Stories of Wisdom, I prioritized things like kindness, courage, integrity, empathy, and wise decision making.
Was there a particular story or scripture that was especially challenging to adapt for the book?
Yes, adapting some stories was challenging due to their complex language and length. It required careful editing to keep the core message and values with the stories intact.
How do you believe these ancient stories remain relevant to children today?
These ancient stories remain relevant to children today because they address timeless values and life lessons such as kindness, bravery, integrity, which are applicable to modern situations as well.
What role did your sister Pragati Khanna play in the creation of this book?
My sister, Pragati Khanna, was an instrumental in my book, Stories of Wisdom, aiding in research, story selection, and editing to ensure the book's quality, appeal, and suitability for young readers.
Can you share any feedback you have received from the readers so far?
Readers praised my book, Stories of Wisdom, for its meaningful stories and moral lessons, although some found the font size to be a bit tiny. Despite this, the book was a tremendous success with over 103 copies sold.
What future projects do you have in mind that follow the themes of Stories of Wisdom?
I'm planning future projects that expand my book, Stories of Wisdom, and creating integrative educational materials and a series of modern applications of ancient tales.
Thank you for your interest in Stories of Wisdom. If any students have further queries, please feel free to ask Prabha.
If you are interested, yeah. These stories are from like 1000 to 2000 years. Have you heard of Raja Krishna Dev Rai? One of his descendants wrote some of these stories. Then I concise them and wrote it in this book. Some of them are about Ramakrishna, who was a really famous author and also a really great poet of that time in, I think, Mysore. So yeah. So I faced my writer's block. First, I used to think, why publish a book? Then something motivated me. As you can see, once I was roaming around the library, I found a Panchatantra book. I thought I should issue it. I opened the book and found that no one was ever going to read it. Then I thought, why make a book if no one reads it? My father also encouraged me that I should. Next.
Why did you choose to write ancient books only? I mean, there are a lot of type of books you can write by ancient books only.
That's a great question. Ancient books are actually mostly forgotten by other people as they're not continued in our lifestyles. No one really follows them. So I thought, let's get it in a continuation.
Okay, and are you planning to write a book of another not about ancient?
Yeah, I am thinking a novel, but not such.
What is the role of your sister in the helping you? But your sister is in America. How?
No, she was in America. She came here. So let's get to your question. She concised some of my stories because they were too long and they were in a different language. Once one of these stories were in Tamil, so we translated and concised it to form the short.
And about from where website you have published this book?
So first I thought Bree Books, but not such any. I published it from Manisha Books. You can see it from that. Thank you. Does anyone else have a question? Yeah. So my book is also an inspiration, as he told. If you want to write a story, these are the first key messages. First, there is exposition. There are some conflicts in starting of the story. Then there is a climax point. After that, the follow action, which leads to the resolution, and the story ends.
And what would you suggest to your fan that to make a book, what you should do?
Be passionate about your writing. If you want to write anything, just feel, have a great feeling for it that you are writing in your own words. Like you don't need to copy other writers' their style of writing. You can create your own. So many people do this. I did it once.
Your interest is in Vedas. Why you have written this book? You can translate it easier in Vedas and write a book.
So, to be clear, Vedas don't have like any big stories. They don't have stories. They have life messages. Like you open a diary, you have many life messages down the words, as you can see. Not in my book, but in other books. So,
What would you recommend to a newly author who has just written a book but could not publish it?
So obviously, if you publish one book, it doesn't get like thousands of sales like just in a few months. It can take years, but just keep writing. Not one book, not two, but like many books. I wrote 3 books. This is the third one, which got 103 sales. Those just barely get 7 to 8 sales. Yeah.
You answered.
Thank you, everyone.